I'm Ian Bouquet-Taylor. I'm the Operations Director here at Aerospace, and day-to-day my main role is strategy and forward planning for manufacturing. We are a world-class manufacturer of subcontract machinery. We're based in Birmingham in the West Midlands, and we support the aerospace and defence sectors across the globe. So the problem we had and we're aiming to solve with the 5G project is, realistically, it's about surety of supply for my customer. From our point of view, the 5G technology here is a non-standalone network. We are sending data from machines, from inspection devices and from part tracking sensors into the 5G network, and then collecting that data into other parts of the network and analysing it live.
We have 3 use cases for the 5G technology. Use case 1, it's all about machine servitisation. We have 5 machines on the shop floor connected to the 5G network. We can real-time track what's going on the machines. We can see what parts are going on. We can see if the door's opening or closing. We can see if it's down for maintenance. We can plan around what the machines are doing. Use case 2 is all about tracking parts on our shop floor. When we're manufacturing parts, they go through that many processes. With the tracking devices, we can actually see where they are real time. So if they're going from a machine to another machine, or if they're going into inspection, or if they're going out for a subcon process. Use case 3 is the camera system that we use in our inspection department. It takes hundreds of photos of one surface on a component, and it will pick up any surface scratches, any imperfections, and it will tell us automatically. This has improved the quality of our products, and we've been able to get our products out at a faster rate than we did before the 5G project came along.
The Worcestershire 5G Testbed is built to support Industry 4.0 applications, whether that's large organisations or SMEs. We're working on a number of use cases to demonstrate productivity gains and improvements and help Aerospace build a glass factory.
Fit Factory will be providing software to capture more information across the whole factory and provide insights so that Aerospace can make data-driven decisions based on the information that they're collecting.
Evision Intelligence, we develop edge AI camera systems that allow us to extract data from the shop floor. That includes everything from the human actions and the processes, people and the plant. If a scratch is detected, the system is going to pick that up and create a file that joins with the physical asset that can then be tracked. Because the file sizes of the defect detection system that we're creating are going to be very large, 5G is going to enable us to transfer those large files to the various partners within the project, as well as within the supply chain in a rapid and a secure environment.
So here at Aerospace, we're actually really happy to have been chosen to be on the 5G programme. The work with DCMS, West Midlands 5G and the other partners has really helped us understand where we're going to be in 3, 5, 10 years' time. It's helped us to get there faster, it's helped us to get there in a more structured way, and it means that, to be fair, we've got a smart on our competitors going forward.